Right, Wednesday 8th, 7:36. Well, let me start it before I put my gloves on. (7:36) Wednesday 8th. I decided not to go to the beach, just to waste a bit of time, because I mean it could be interesting. Gonna see the Atlantic again, but you know, then you got to come all the way back. Put the strap in. So I'm just going to head out. The fuel's going to be fine to get me to Port Nolloth. So here we go, onward voyage. We're all in. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So packing's become a little bit of a doddle nowadays, which is a normal thing, you know. The first little while you're just getting used to things. So, you know, every now and again then you say, hang on, there's got to be a better way. Morning. There's got to be a slightly better way. So, you know, you improve the packing of this, you improve the packing of that. Sun there, as you can see. So let's see how we go. I'm praying for travel mercies. My black tyre is quite low now. So it's got the first thing I got to do when I get to Cape Town. Replace my tyres. Front ones still okay, but the back one's really getting down to its last few legs. I got my phone, money, wallet. Really had a delicious sleep, very comfortable bed, fantastic sleep, quite funny dreams. My Tracks for Africa guide does say there is a fuel here somewhere, but maybe it's still further on the way out, but it's not going to be necessary. So back tyre needs a bit of watching. Well, I've just got to pray that it's going to get me. It's 800 k's. It must give me to get to Cape Town. What else? Well, we know the oil thing's doing something funny. I couldn't, my water level, I couldn't see in the reservoir. It wasn't showing. This is a bit odd. But I checked in the radiator, and did I take a wrong turn? No, I don't think so, because this is like used to be a mine gebied, you know, which is why I think that guy yesterday was saying, huh? Airbnb, what? Yeah, in Alexander Bay. Because it's probably officially not allowed. Okay, this is not what I want. Or maybe it is, I don't know. I think I've got to turn around. Yeah, I've got to turn around. This is now the Alex Gore bloody mining thing. I should have taken a left turn there. Hallo. Ek dink dit die draai. Ek moet links daar gaan na so, nee, vir die hoofpad. Ek gaan Port Nolloth toe. Dit moet regs daar gaan. Ja, net na die gebou, regs verlaat, né? Dankie. Okay. Didn't notice that turn. Yesterday coming in following Carlo. Straight into the blessed sun. There's a hoofpad. Okay, remember these palms. Maybe on the left was the cell tower that I was picking up in Namibia. Alright, 90 or so k's, Richtersveld, north, south. Let's go to Port Nolloth. Hopefully that says Port Nolloth. It does. Namakwaland, Richtersveld route. Okay, I'll switch off shortly. That's it, we're on the road. I don't know what the time is. What time did I say? 7:30 something. Bye bye Alexander Bay. Another little mining town. That's an hour, give or take, a little bit more. I think I'll keep a comfortable 90, 100. Hopefully that is a bit more merciful on my tyre. On the right there, mining the sand dunes. Alex Core. Right, see you later.